Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're gonna talk about how you can remove number from TikTok without any code. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up your TikTok application on your device and simply log in with your account. On your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Report a Problem under Support tab. Now scroll down at the end of the page and select Submit a Report. Write the report that lost your number and I can't receive anything text from it now, and request them to remove your number so that you can change it. The response email will be sent you to 24 hours at max, and then you'll be able to change it. And that's how you can remove number from TikTok without any code. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.